Good morning.
Jeff and Steph's.
Excellent Salvation Mountain adventure.
What the hell's going on out here, Steph?
Yeah, this is so cool. So we're in Palm Desert and we drove out to the Salton Sea today and we went a little further to Slab City and we wanted to see Salvation Mountain.
And if you've never been out to the Salton Sea,
Beautiful.
or Slab City for that matter, and this particular attraction, it's definitely off the beaten trail,
Yes.
but it's so worth the visit. And this
Yeah.
isn't exactly like a bucket list, but this is a place that we really wanted to come and see because we've seen a lot of documentaries about it and
videos and such.
yeah, it's really one of those kind of oddities, bizarre
Correct,
places
yeah.
in America, and this is cool.
Yeah, it was an hour drive from Palm Desert, but so worth it. It's just beautiful out here. We can't wait to share this with you and tell you the story.
Now the road's not that great coming in here.
No,
I
it
must
was
say.
a little rough for sure.
yeah, but we made it. So beautiful day, almost Christmas,
Yes.
about 75 degrees.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Awesome.
Shorts and t-shirts.
Oh yeah.
And the dogs are with us today. They needed an adventure.
Whoa.
There's Ziggy.
What do you
We're
say,
going to
Ziggy?
show you Cole. Let's see. Cole, where are you? There he is. The dogs needed an adventure today with us. So we're all going to explore Salvation Mountain.
Let's do this stuff.
Let's go.
Yesterday there was sun.
Just driving up to Salvation Mountain in the middle of the desert here is breathtaking. All the colors, and it just stands out. You just see it. It's built into a hillside, and as you're approaching it, you can see it from like a mile down the road. It's pretty cool.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Well, how about that for a tow vehicle?
Right?
Yeah.
Nothing like a Jeep, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Custom paint. Pretty sweet.
Yeah, the dogs would like it.
Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go.
You used to be able to walk up this golden staircase and it goes all the way up the hill, and there was a viewing platform up above, but there's a sign that says to please keep off, it's closed for repairs. So Salvation Mountain was created by an artist named Leonard Knight, and it took decades for him to complete this. He felt like it was his calling, and he spent every waking hour working on the mountain, forming it out of the adobe clay, painting it, and it stands over 50 feet tall and 150 feet wide. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go.
There are windows in the walls up here, and it looks like they were working on another section back here that never was finished. It's currently closed off, but there is some paint and signs, and there's a big tree right here in the center holding it all up. This gives you a good idea of how the structure was built. He used fallen trees and other garbage and debris and built it up and used adobe mud on top of it, a mixture of concrete and sand. And then he painted over the top, really thick paint. You can see some of it cracking and peeling, but he referred to himself as a glob artist, where he would literally glob the paint on so thick to keep it from fading and cracking in the sun.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time.
This portion was actually built for Leonard to live in during the heat of the summer. And he never actually ended up living in here. He stayed in his truck van because he was most comfortable in there. But he spent a lot of time decorating and painting the walls in here. And it is definitely nice and cool. And he built it because it gets 115 plus in the desert here in the summer. And he wanted a place to be able to keep cool. And you can feel the temperature just drop in here when you walk in. It's just beautiful. So Leonard used what he made or found in junkyards, and he used over 100,000 gallons of donated paint, they say. Leonard passed away in 2014. This is a non-profit here, and they do ask for donations at various places, and they have pamphlets here that you can pick up. It doesn't cost anything as far as admission, so do come check it out and leave them a donation for the good work they do. The group that keeps this going are volunteers, and they feel like it's their obligation to Leonard and his cause to show that God is love and love is the way. And so they are inspired by his life work and wanting to carry on that mission. And it is absolutely beautiful out here. It feels like a spiritual place. It makes you happy. And it's a perfect thing for us to be coming during the week of Christmas. So Salvation Mountain is at the entrance to Slab City, and if you just drive right past it, we are entering Slab City. Slab City is famous. It's been in lots of documentaries and featured in films. It was an old military base, and it was closed down. you enjoyed this fun little art stop in the desert. We had fun exploring it, didn't we, Jeff?
Yeah.
Yay!